It feels like we've waited a long time to get to this moment, but I don't regret the journey it took to get here. From meeting in 2012, dating in 2013, finally getting engaged, and then getting married in 2020, having our beautiful daughter in 2021, and everything else in between. Being grateful for you is an understatement because you completely changed my life in the best way. God knew the perfect person for me was you. We're the complete opposite, yet we complement each other so well. You're patient when I turn into a backseat driver and yell at the dumb drivers around us. You're understanding when I'm cranky or hangry and jump at any chance to make things better. I question how you deal with my many moods, but the answer is because you know me better than anyone else and you accept me for who I am.
It was over 10 years ago when we first met in college. We had so much fun, met a lot of amazing people, and partied way too much. But the best thing to come out of that experience was you. We've been on so many incredible adventures. Do you remember the first time when we started dating, how drunk we got at that Giants parade? We were blasted, like we were gone. Or the time that we got lost at EDC. I know you remember that time I took a body shot off you on that catamaran out in Mexico. Good times. It was at that moment I knew we had something special.
Dear family and friends, thank you for joining us today to witness and celebrate the union of Rossette and JP. This is an opportunity for us to share not only in the joy of Rossette and JP's love, but also to reaffirm and appreciate the love and the friendship we experience in our own lives. May we celebrate by being fully present during our short time together.
You truly are an unbelievable mother and the best tag team partner I could ask for. I am so grateful to have you as a partner that is down for anything, that makes me laugh, supports me, challenges me, and most of all makes me happy. No matter what obstacles we face, I promise to be by your side through it all. I promise to never forget this once-in-a-lifetime love and never take it for granted. I promise to be honest, faithful with all my heart. I promise to strive every day to make you feel beautiful, appreciated, and valued. Rossette, I will love you always and forever, no matter how much you annoy me. I vow to be the loving husband you deserve.
But in all honesty, seeing you become the best father to Mila is the reason I know I'm with the right person. Learning with you on this journey of parenthood has been hard, but the reason I can get through is because I know you're by my side. You find the time to be Mila's dad and my husband with no complaints. I don't know how I got so lucky, but you're stuck with me forever, and I'll never take that for granted. I vow to always watch Marvel movies with you on opening weekend. I vow to cheer you on when you play your poker tournaments, even though I'll be home with Mila. I vow to always crack your back, even though it never cracks the way you crack mine. I vow to listen to your worries, to cry with you, to hug you, to be your biggest supporter, to help you achieve your goals, and to be your big spoon. There's no one else There's no one else in this world that I could ever want more than you. So I vow that I'll love you and I'll choose you in every lifetime.
It has been my honor to stand beside you both today, joined by the people that love and support you. By the power vested in me, I now pronounce you husband and wife. You may now kiss the bride.
You're a sky full of stars. I'm gonna give you my heart. 'Cause you're a sky full of stars. 'Cause you light up the path. I don't care